Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online SFS English language. Today's topic is idioms. But before moving on to the topic, let's see that what are the objectives of this lesson. So, our very first objective is to know what is an idiom. Second, to know the meaning of an idiom and how can we use them in sentences. So, what is an idiom? An idiom are fun and useful expressions that usually can't be understood by defining the separate words. Idioms are phrases and sentences that do not mean exactly what they say. Idioms needs to be memorized as a whole. So, our very first idiom is I am all ears. But what does it mean? It means that person has got your full attention in terms of listening to him, or very keen to hear, or to paying special attention. But how can we use them in our sentences? Let's see the example. We should be with all ears when someone is saying something to us. Our second idiom is apple of an eye, which means someone or something that is very important to someone, or someone or something that someone likes very much. Let's see the example. His only son was the apple of his eye. Our next idiom is bed of roses, which means comfortable situation in which a person likes to live. Let's see the example. Making money is not a bed of roses. You have to take many steps to achieve your goal. Our fourth idiom is your guess is good as mine, which means something you say when you do not know the answer to a question. Let's see the example. What is he doing? Your guess is as good as mine. Our next idiom is bite off more than you can chew, which means undertake a promise one cannot accomplish, or to attempt to do something which is hardly achievable. Example. It feels like I bit off more than I could chew when I promised to complete these worksheets in one day. Our next idiom is couch potato. This idiom means a person who watches a lot of television and doesn't have an active life, or you can say a chronic television viewer. Example. My younger sister is a great couch potato. She can watch TV 24 hours a day. Our next idiom is on cloud 9, which means to be extremely happy and excited. Example. He was on cloud 9 after winning the competition. Next, cry over spilled milk, which means to express regret about something that has already happened or cannot be changed. Example. I try not to cry over spilled milk and will try to improve my future. Idiom number 9. Face the music, which means receive punishment or consequences of your action. Example: if you have done something wrong, you have to face the music. Idiom number 10, hard nut to crack, which means a person who is difficult to understand and hard to deal with. Example: I am just wasting my time. You are a hard nut to crack. Idiom number 11, once in a blue moon. This idiom means very rare or once in a long while. Example: we go for late night dinner once in a blue moon. Otherwise, we really don't. Idiom number 12, over a moon, which means very pleased or happy about something. Example: he is over the moon since he got the highest marks in maths. Next, piece of cake, which means easy to achieve or accomplish. Example: if you study hard, achieving good marks will be a piece of cake for you. Next is a storm in a teacup, which means matter that is very small but exaggerated with no reason. Example: this matter is nothing but just a storm in a teacup. Our next idiom is spill the beans. It means disclose or reveal the secret. Example: there is a surprise party for Sarah on Wednesday. Please don't spill the beans, everyone. Next idiom is snake in the grass. It means an unethical person or someone who is harmful but who does not seem to be. Example: he stole money from his best friend's account. What a great snake in the grass. Our next idiom is a stone's throw. This idiom means very close to something or very near. Example: she lives just a stone's throw away from my house. Our next idiom is action speaks louder than words. It means what you do is more important than what you say. Example: don't tell me that you are sorry about this. Show me. Action speaks louder than words. Our idiom number 19 is steal someone's thunder. This idiom means use someone else's ideas to their own advantage or to take success or praise away from someone. Example: I had put in a lot of effort to make this project, but in the end, a colleague of mine stole my thunder. Our last idiom is sit on the fence. This idiom means a person who avoids making decisions. Example: stop sitting on the fence and make decision about whose side you are with. I hope you people have understood the meaning of idiom and how can we use them in our sentences. Thank you for watching.